2021 Subaru Levorg STI Sport. The 2021 Subaru Levorg appearance is very close to the prototype, and the appearance is super high. It is also equipped with Subaru STI Advanced Active Safety Equipment, and is equipped with a 1.8-liter horizontal turbocharged engine, with 177 horsepower, and 300 Nm of torque. Subaru is now launching the second generation in the land of the rising sun, following prototypes of the regular model, and STI Sport trim unveiled in October 2019, and January 2020, respectively. Unsurprisingly, the cars are spitting images of the prototypes, but it is the first time we are seeing the interior. The most high-grabbing feature is certainly the portrait-oriented 11.6-inch touchscreen for the infotainment system, accompanied by a 12.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster. The interior rearview mirror is of the digital variety as well. The new 2021 Subaru Levorg has the same appearance as the Mazda 3, which is very close to the prototype design concept, so you can see the sharp LED head and tail lights, aggressive front and rear bumper design, bilateral single exhaust pipes, and large-size wheels. The appearance is super high. The new generation of Subaru Levorg is based on Subaru's latest SGP modular platform. With the support of higher rigidity and lightweight chassis, its handling performance is believed to be very good. In the interior part, Subaru has introduced a supersized central console and full LCD instrumentation for 2021 Levorg, which not only improves the texture, but also takes the sense of technology to a higher level. It is worth mentioning that 2021 Subaru Levorg has EyeSight advanced active safety equipment, such as forward collision warning, lane departure warning, automatic cruise control, low-speed following assist system, and blind spot detection functions are not absent. Compared to the model it replaces, the revamped Levorg should be more spacious inside as a result of an increased footprint. It is 65 mm longer than before, now at 4,755 mm, or 187.2 inches, and 20 mm of the stretch has gone into the wheelbase, now measuring 2,670 mm, or 105.1 inches. Open the hands-free tailgate and you will have access to a more voluminous cargo area that can swallow 561 liters, or 19.8 cubic feet, at more than 72 liters, or 2.5 cubic feet as before. In terms of power configuration, 2021 Levorg is equipped with a new 1.8-liter horizontal turbocharged engine, which can output 177 horsepower and 300 Nm of torque, and is equipped with a virtual gear CVT gearbox and four-wheel drive system. Although did not announce the acceleration performance of 2021 Levorg, I believe it should be similar to Civic Turbo 1.5. do you think of 2021 Subaru Levorg STI Sport? Let us know of your comments. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to our channel for more updates. Thank you very much for watching.